reiterate, you guys, Brooke woke me up, and now she came down from the kitchen, and she is taking a nap, so I'm going to get my revenge. Yeah, see? So we have to be kind of quiet. It's kind of loud just then. Okay, so I'm going to, like, scream and, like, scare, wake her up, okay? Ow! Stop dreaming of Dave and get up.
Hey, you leave him out of this.
Ticklish everywhere. She's moving at superhuman speed. Oh my god! She pushed me off the bed. Okay, well I guess I'll see you guys later.